It was at this moment I knew Earl Spence was going to get beat up and his coach was incompetent.
Ain't no more hiding. You can't hide no more, Derrick.
Hide?
We'll find out who the best
hey, man,
man
listen.
is.
Only thing been hiding is
I respect you
Big
for
Mac.
what you've done in the game.
Cheetos.
But you ain't never went up against me or my
Listen,
staff.
that's the only thing been hiding.
So you remember something.
What? Tell me what I got to remember.
We've been here before.
So you say
you trying to get
no,
there.
No. You,
all right?
Wait.
I can tell you how it is to be undisputed.
Wait. You can tell.
You can't tell me.
Listen, you the only.
Sit back and watch this.
Wait, is Jamel Charlo?
Sit back and watch this. I promise you something.
Hey, listen.
I promise you something.
Hey, man, listen, man. They got to make a new weight for you. Super heavyweight. What the you talking about? We know what we do.
All that you talking don't mean nothing.
It don't mean nothing.
I can bump my guns at you. You can bump your guns at me. But at the end of the day, them two brothers got to get in the ring.
That's right.
All right, then. So shut the up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Got it.